So one of the things that's brand new for Safety and Health Expo 2019 is the PPE Attack Zone. Most practitioners will be aware that the PPE regulations changed in April 2019. And because this was quite a significant change, we wanted to run a feature at the show that really demonstrated high quality PPE, and not just the kind of products that get you the bare minimum pass mark. We wanted to do it in a way that's a little bit more interactive and interesting and informative than we've done through seminar sessions that we've run in the past. So we've got a range of the leading suppliers to do a variety of demonstrations that are really about showing PPE in situ and how it's actually used. So one of the suppliers involved is demonstrating the importance of visibility on construction sites. They've invented a set of workwear gloves that really help reversing vehicles understand the instructions they're receiving. We have a leading manufacturer who is demonstrating how safety glasses are far more effective than what people often choose to protect their eyes, which is glasses, by shooting ball bearings at safety eyewear. And we also have a barrier cream provider who is going to demonstrate the effectiveness of their barrier cream by actually dipping their hands into a bowl of acid. There's this and several other presentations and informative discussions going on, so I think if you've got any sort of PPE requirement in your role, come along, there'll be something for you.